your first aid kit 001. It's very small in size and easy to carry anywhere. You can put it in your car, in your bike, anywhere, and it's very easy to carry, small in size. Let me tell you what you'll get inside. You see that it's very handy that you can just carry anywhere, and you will get everything you need in emergency situation, right? You will get here these elastic bandages here. You will get this combat tape. This is very small in size that you can just fit in anywhere. Also, you will get this emergency bandage pack that you can cover your own at any time in emergency situation. You'll also get one tourniquet that can actually help you and save your life, right? So it's very important to have one tourniquet with you, and this when you rescue 001 got your back. So here you also will get one nozzle airway that is very, of course, one-time use. Also inside you will get this chest seal vented that is also very useful in your emergency situation. Alright, you will get the glove that you need, and also you will get this compressed gauze, and one more thing, you will get the scissors. Alright, so everything you need actually is a package that can actually help you out in your emergency situation. So, and it's also very handy to carry anywhere you want.